Okay, Guided Project 1.3. Number 1 tells you to open Guided Project 1.3 with and enable editing. Open the workbook Wherever 01, which I also have opened. It looks like this. Okay. Click the zoom out button in the status bar 5 times to return to 100% zoom size. Click the Freeze Panes button and choose Unfreeze Panes. Click the Switch Windows button. Confirm that Wherever 01 and your name Guided Project are both open. Display the Wherever 01 worksheet. Right-click the Sheet tab in Wherever 01 and choose Move or Copy. Click the To Book drop-down list and select your name, Guided Project 1.3. Select Create a Copy. Click OK. The copied sheet inserts as Sheet 1, parentheses 2 in Guided Project. Click the Switch Windows button and choose Wherever 01. Close the workbook without saving. Verify that you are working on Guided Project 1 with your name. Rename and delete sheets. Double-click the Sheet 1, 2 tab, type Inventory, and press Enter. Right-click the Sheet 1 tab and choose Delete. Click cell A4. Type WEA 001. That's 001. Select A4 and double-click its fill handle. Right-click column J and choose Delete. Click H4. The formula displays in the formula bar. The Formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate the value of the current stock. Double-click the fill pointer for cell H4. The formula is copied down the column. Number 8, merge across and set word wrap. Select cells A1 through I12. Click the Merge and Center button. Select Merge Across. Select cell F3 and click Expand Formula Bar. Click the Wrap Text button. The row height adjust to display the label on 2 lines. Collapse the formula bar. Number 9, select cells A4 through C39 and click the Increase Indent button. Select cells A4 to F39 and click the Center button. F4 to F39 and click the Center button. Select cells G4 to I39, click the number format and choose currency. Select cells A1 to A2, click font size, choose 20. Click cells A3 to I13 and click bold button. Click the format button and choose row height. Click cell G40. Type current inventory value at cost. Select cell G40 and click bold, align right. E, select cell H40 and double click the auto sum button. Autofit column H to display the value. Add borders and set row height. Select cells A3 through I40. Click the Borders drop-down arrow and select All Borders. Select cells A4 to I40 and format row height 220. Press Control Home. Click the Page Layout View button in the status bar. Click the Center Header section in the Header and Footer tab displays. Go to Footer. Click the right section and click File Name button. Click a worksheet cell to see the file name and switch to normal view and press Control Home. Click the File tab and choose Print. Click the Next Page button 2 or 3 times to see how the worksheet spreads across printed pages. The number of pages depends on your printer settings. Click No Scaling in the Settings area and choose Fit to one page. Select cells A3 through F11, click the Print Area button, and select Print Area. Press Control Home, click the File tab, and select Print to preview the print area. Return to the worksheet, save and close the workbook, and submit.